Did you know that there is a food so powerful that, consumed regularly, it can transform your health in an almost unbelievable way? Yes, it can improve digestion, strengthen your immune system, and even help prevent serious illnesses. In this video, I'm going to reveal all the benefits of this incredible food and explain how it can be the key to a longer, healthier life. Stay with me until the end, because you're going to be surprised by something that may be closer than you think. We live in an age of convenience. It's so easy to open a packet and consume ready-made food, full of preservatives, trans fats, and empty calories. How many times, because of the rush of everyday life, do we opt for quick meals, without asking ourselves what we're actually putting into our bodies? These processed foods may seem harmless, but they are actually the big villains behind excessive tiredness, weight gain, and the onset of diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, and even cancer. Health doesn't have to be such a challenge. The solution often lies in simplicity. It lies in going back to our roots and adopting more natural and balanced eating habits. The food I'm going to show you today is so special that it can, in a practical and accessible way, be integrated into your routine, helping to combat these ailments and providing genuine well-being. And the best thing is that there are no complicated or difficult recipes. But why do so few people talk about it? Perhaps it's because the most powerful solutions lie in the simplest details. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes you're going to discover how this food can change your life. Ready for this transformation? Now that you know that the greatest secrets to a healthier life lie in the simplest foods, I want to tell you about something that can be transformative for your health and well-being. Imagine a food that, when consumed regularly, aids digestion, improves heart health, and even helps prevent problems such as high cholesterol, constipation, and even premature aging. This food is a true gift from nature, full of fiber, essential vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. It can strengthen your immune system, making your body more prepared to fight infections and diseases. What's more, if you're looking to control your weight or even lose weight, it's a great ally as it's naturally light, nutritious, and satisfies hunger in a healthy way. Have you ever thought how wonderful it would be to have more energy throughout the day? What would it be like to wake up in the morning feeling good, in the mood to take care of yourself, your family, and everything that's important to you? This food I'm about to introduce you to could be the key to that, helping not only your physical but also your mental health, as it also aids in the production of substances that promote a good mood and reduce stress. Best of all, it's extremely versatile. You can use it in a variety of ways in your daily diet, without spending too much or wasting time. No matter what your age or routine, it can be the perfect complement to bring more vitality and longevity into your life. So, are you curious to find out what this food is and how it can really transform your health? I'm going to tell you now, but first think, are you ready to change your habits and take care of yourself in a way you may never have done before? If so, stay with me. The long-awaited moment has arrived. The incredible food we're talking about is papaya, a delicious, affordable, and extremely powerful tropical fruit for your health. But did you know that papaya has been known and cultivated for thousands of years? Its origins date back to the rainforests of Central and South America, and it was used by the native peoples not only as food, but also as a natural remedy for various health problems. In the era of the Great Navigations, in the 16th century, the papaya was taken to other parts of the world, becoming one of the most consumed tropical fruits globally. Today, it is revered as one of the most nutritious foods on the planet. But what makes papaya so special? Let's explore its incredible nutritional properties. It is a veritable health bomb, containing vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that benefit the body in many ways. Vitamin C. An average portion of papaya can contain more vitamin C than an orange, helping to strengthen the immune system and fight the free radicals that cause aging. Vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, essential for eye and skin health, as well as being a powerful antioxidant. B-complex vitamins includes folic acid, important for energy production and nervous system health. Minerals such as potassium and magnesium, fundamental for maintaining the body's water balance, regulating blood pressure, and strengthening muscles and bones. Dietary fibers aids digestion and promotes satiety, helping with weight control. Papain, a unique papaya enzyme that facilitates digestion, especially of proteins, relieving discomforts such as bloating and poor digestion. Main benefits of papaya: improves digestion. The papain and fiber present in papaya facilitate digestion and combat problems such as constipation and bloating. Regular consumption can relieve symptoms of gastritis and reflux. Strengthens the immune system. Thanks to its high concentration of vitamin C and A, papaya helps protect the body against colds, flu, and infections, as well as boosting the body's immune response capacity. Protects the heart. The potassium in papaya regulates blood pressure, while the antioxidants help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Helps control weight. Being high in fiber and low in calories, papaya promotes a feeling of satiety, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. Improves skin health. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene and vitamin C fight free radicals, promoting healthier, younger, and brighter skin. In addition, papain can be used topically to smooth blemishes and moisturize the skin. Supports eye health. Vitamin A is essential for vision, helping to prevent problems such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Reduces inflammation. Its antioxidant compounds and papain have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to relieve joint pain, such as arthritis and other inflammatory processes in the body. Regulates intestinal transit. The fiber in papaya acts as a natural intestinal regulator and is effective for both constipation and mild diarrhea. As you can see, papaya is not just a fruit, it's a real natural remedy. When included in your diet, it can transform the way you feel, giving you more energy, and protection against disease. And the best part? It's easy to consume and extremely versatile. Before we go on to explore the incredible benefits of papaya, I want to take a moment to talk to you directly. If you've come this far, it's because you're interested in improving your health and quality of life. And I have great news. This channel is full of content like this, bringing you information about powerful foods that can transform your health in a practical and accessible way. I've prepared a special playlist with several videos about other magical foods that, like papaya, have incredible properties for your body. But don't worry, you don't have to leave now. Finish this video, and then you can explore all the options available to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below and activate the bell. That way, you'll receive all the latest news and won't miss out on any exclusive content. Also, if you like this video, leave a comment below. Tell me, did you already know all these benefits of papaya? Or do you have any questions about how to use it on a daily basis? I read and respond to comments with great care. Now that you know all the benefits of papaya, it's time to fulfill the promise of this video, to show you in practice how to include this powerful fruit in your routine and what you can expect from consuming it regularly. How to include papaya in your daily routine. Breakfast. Cut up half a papaya, remove the seeds, and use it as a natural bowl to add yogurt, granola, and honey. A quick, healthy, and incredibly nutritious meal to start the day with energy. Juice or smoothie. Blend papaya chunks with water, ice, and a little ginger. For a fuller smoothie, add plant milk or a spoonful of oats. Ideal for an afternoon snack or a light pre-workout. Healthy dessert. Top slices of papaya with coconut shavings or a dash of lemon. A natural and sweet alternative to industrialized desserts full of sugar. Main meals. Use grated green papaya as a base for fresh salads, combining it with green leaves, lemon, and olive oil. A tropical touch that also helps the digestion of the meal. As you can see, papaya is extremely versatile. It adapts to any moment of your day and to different tastes and preferences. And the best part is that by consuming it regularly, you'll notice a series of positive changes in your body and your health. Results of long-term papaya consumption. Noticeable improvement in digestion. You will experience less bloating, heartburn, and stomach discomfort. Intestinal transit will become more regular and balanced, reducing problems such as constipation. Increased energy and mood. With more vitamins and minerals in your body, especially vitamin C, your immunity will be strengthened and you'll have fewer episodes of tiredness and feeling unwell. Healthier, younger-looking skin. After a few weeks, you'll start to notice skin that's more hydrated, even and with fewer signs of premature aging. The combination of antioxidants helps fight free radicals. Weight control. Because it is rich in fiber and low in calories, papaya will help you control your appetite and reduce weight naturally, without extreme diets or deprivation. Reducing chronic inflammation. Continuous intake of papaya helps reduce joint pain, such as arthritis, and promotes muscle recovery after physical exercise. Cardiovascular protection. After months of including papaya in your diet, you'll notice your blood pressure becoming more balanced and your cholesterol tests showing significant improvements. These are just some of the results you can expect from incorporating papaya into your life. Remember, it's consistency that makes the difference. Small daily habits generate giant transformations over time. Now, I have a special request for you. If this content has helped you in any way, share it with someone you know and love. Send this video to that friend or family member who needs to take care of their health, but hasn't found the right path yet. You can make a difference to that person's life, just as papaya can make a difference to yours. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. I'm always here, bringing you news to help you live healthier, with more energy and more well-being. Thank you very much for being with me today.